So you're updating your cam sensor on your 8.1, or you're swapping to an 8.8 like I am. There's 3 different cam sensors for the 8.1, 3 different cam gears. The the first 2 are 0102 and then 0203. They have a little tab on the inside. I'm going to try to get my camera in there, but they have a little tab in there that the plug plugs into. And then the newer one, the tab's on a different side. So there's 8.8. So the first thing I do is the tab on this one, I don't know if I can get it on the camera. The early one's on the left and the later one's on the right. Now I've already modified this one. I just take an X-Acto knife. The slot's already there. You just got to cut the thin piece of plastic out. So what you want to do is make sure it plugs in. So when you're done with that, now you got to fix the wiring because the sensor is wired different. Now the center wire is the sensor wire. The outer wires are power and ground. So you just need to swap power and ground. This is also how you use the later MSD box on the, if you don't want to use a distributor, you can use the later MSD box. You got to do the same thing to that to get it to work right. So give me a minute. I've already taken the, I don't know where I set it, but I've already taken the, there it is, wire lock off. That clips on the end. So now, see there's a little spot. There's a locking tab up top there. I stick a needle in there, I bend it back down and pull the wires out. I bend the tab back up and I swap them. So I'll show you. Here's before, red's on the left. I'm going to put red on the right. Give me a minute and I'll swap them out. So I've already pulled this one out. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to focus on this, I'm sure. Nope. It's not going to do it. It's too small. Fucking stupid ass camera. Anyways, it tabs up. You can kind of see it. It's blurry, but it's up. Now watch, I'm going to pull the other one out since I already bent it down. See, it's bent down at the moment. Focus. Focus. Anyways, I'm going to bend it up. But I've already pulled the red one. And I fixed the lock on it. So I'm going to put it back in. Let me see if I can. The lock goes up in a little dip in the connector. Okay, now it's locked in. I got to bend this one up and then lock it in and then put that little plastic clip on. And then it's wired correctly for the newer style cam sensor.